Good afternoon, sir. Then I will demonstrate the midterm laboratory number 2, demonstrating vulnerabilities coming on my web-based access control system using Burp Suite or Burp Suite. Burp Suite. Then next natin muna to. Then now I'll go to proxy, then open browser. Then what? Uh, my web, my web, my web, my web. Ayan. Nope. Dapat hindi ilagay natin to. Yan. Then PHP airport swagger. Then next forward next is yan. Then log in forward, then Feli, then log in forward. Okay, forward. Okay, manage login forward, then manage users forward, then tingnan natin itong admin update. Okay, then dashboard, then logout. Then now let's proceed to dashboard. Ay, HTTP history, then saan tayo sa may check ba? Sa login retrieve. Sa login errors get free, ito yan. Do active scan, dashboard yan, proxy, do active scan, dito sa login din, do active scan. Issue clear text submission of password. Then issue detail, issue background. This page from configure URL which is submitted over clear text HTTP management alert updated. The form of the file password, some applications related password, and issue recommendation. Application should use the transport level encryption SSL or TLS to protect all sensitive communication passing between client and the server. Communications that should be protected include the login mechanism and related functionalities, and any functions where too sensitive data can be accessed to privilege. Okay, this area should be employ their own session handling mechanism and session tokens. Use should never be transmitted over an encrypted communication. If HTTP cookies are used to transmit session token, then the secure flag shall be set to prevent transmission over the clear text HTTP. Okay. Issue recommendation. This area. TLS. Connection should not have protected including the login mechanism related. Daming error again. 7. Put the blue mark. Unencrypted communication. Issue remediation. We should not use transport level encrypted SSL to protect all communication between the client and the server. The strict transport security HTTP there should be ensured that clients refuse to access the server over an connection. Then next, sa scanning na tayo eh. Recognize the importance of security web application, learn how to improper access control and weak security measures can sensitive data, can access database, apply real-world penetration testing techniques, learn interpret the analyze and vulnerabilities report. Let burp suit analyze your website for vulnerabilities such as SQL exploit plus and SQL unauthorized access. Inject malicious scripts. And dito naman sa login is kahit anong gawin mo naman dito sa login is dashboard ay proxy pala tayo, proxy intercept forward kahit anong ilagay mo is kasi doon sa username naman is mamaya lang lagay na Gmail, then required include email at gmail.com. Kailangan login na ganyan kasi hindi siya makapasok na rin. Next, clear text, cross domain, refer submission, high severity, user management is pwede makuha yung mga data doon sa management is kailangan natin is pwedeng pasukan pa rin to kahit walang users management ayun hindi dito naman daw is pwede siyang makuha kahit anong sabi dito is this page contain the following URL user management, naka-high siya. Then ano sabi dun sa issue recommendation apply transfer level encryption is sabi dito this area should employ their own session handling mechanism. The token should not encrypted communications that should be protected include the login communication protected, wala kasi protection dito. Siguro maglalagay siguro kailangan ng mga code before login para siguro mas maayos to. Login OTP, one time password to, one time password for login para wala nakakapag-access dito sa data natin sa mga users sa admin. Kailangan natin lagyan ng OTP or siguro kahit CAPTCHA, pero mas okay yung one time password para magsasend na lang sa Gmail account nyo, then gagamit tayo ng true na Gmail na totoo kasi ito kahit anong Gmail pwede mo para malogin. And then yun isa sa nakikita ko possible na kahit hindi Gmail kasi kunyari Gmail lang gagamitin mo, kunyari yung gawa-gawa lang na Gmail gagamitin, pwede ka pa rin mag-register na admin. And then next is silang encrypted communication. The application allows the user to connect it to encrypted connection and attackable voice and view legitimate users. So yun. Then network traffic record monitor. Then IPSP JavaScript inject adverse malicious JavaScript government track. Application na transport level encryption SSL or TLS to protect all communications. passing between the client and the server, that strict transfer security, and there should be ensure that clients refuse to access the server over an insecure connection. Okay, yung dito naman, ito lang yung high sa favorite natin. Then, masyado siyang risky sa login to. Sa login sa management, sa admin to. Ito kasi sa admin, kahit anong i-gmail gamitin nila Then, how to natin ma-resolve yan. Then, yung katulad dun sa Altoro is hindi naman naka-assign yung Gmail kasi username yung kinukuha, kaya makapag-login ka pa rin sa Altoro kahit wala kang Gmail. Dito sa website na nagawa namin sa web access control is gumamit kami ng Gmail, then nag-include kami ng gmail.com. Kahit kung user lang yung gagamitin mo is hindi siya magla-login, mag-i-include pa rin siya ng Gmail. Pero once na naglagay ka lang ng Gmail, then yung password, pwede mo pa rin siya ma-access. Kaya pwede nyo ma-access yung magbubukas or mag-hack ng website na to. Pwede nyo ma-access, pwede nyo pagkalat yung nasa yung mga user nandito. Once na ganun nagawa. Okay, then next is sasabihin ko dito. Broken authentication issues, login message with password policies or session management. Ito yun. Detect flaws and co-handling or session expiration. This is injection could allow attacker manipulate database and gain unauthorized access to sensitive information. In fact, ito kasi sabihin mo, katilagay natin bypass admin, sabihin natin punta tayo doon, back to dashboard, proxy, lead forward, log out forward, nag-include pa rin siya. Altoro sorry. Tabantan. Yan yung admin. Diyan na sa yung ChatGPT dito. Where I'm using or where ay, that's please include an at and the admin is missing an, kaya hindi mo siya ma-access kasi nag-require siya ng Gmail at gmail.com. Yan lang yung pagkaintindi ko dito sa scanning. Then how explore we can run malicious script with the browser, and set up your recording, yun lang. And if you stop, detect flaws in copy handling or session expiration, apply rules testing. ito lagi scammer tap transport. So login in, then yun lang.